Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change resolution in CapCut. So the first step you simply need to do is to open CapCut and add video here. Once you added the video, so you simply need to select that, go on to the ratio, and from here you need to click on customize and you can change. So that is 9020 over 10,080. So I want, for example, 2000, and here I want 2000 as well, and then you need to click on save, and if you want you can change frame rate as well. Click on OK, and now you can see that it will be changed. Here you can see custom. So this is the process how you can change resolution in CapCut. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.